Honda Brio, nag-install tayo ng Pioneer head unit na DMH AP6650BT. So check natin dito sa loob. So ito yung Pioneer head unit na DMH AP6650BT na install natin dito sa Honda Brio. So steering wheel control compatible, volume up and volume down, next, and previews. Then yung mode, and Bluetooth audio, aux, auxiliary radio, so working. And then pagdating naman sa list of application, okay, ayan, ito yung makikita mo. As non-Android head unit, meron siyang Apple CarPlay, Android Auto wireless connection na. And then sa reverse camera naman, ayan, okay. Check naman natin dito. Radio. So, sa radio walang problem, malakas sumagap ng radio yung Pioneer head unit. So, steering wheel control compatible, any model of cars compatible to. So, yun lang. Ito yung Pioneer head unit na DMH AP6650BT. 9 inches. Ito yung box. Thank you.